Welcome to Harrison Condo, Unit 2A. This one-bedroom, one-bath, south-facing condo gets plenty of direct sunlight throughout the day. Newly installed luxury vinyl tile flooring, and you are just steps away from the Portland State University campus. Plenty of places to walk around, and you'll find many different types of food carts: Indian, Mediterranean, Mexican food, Thai food. This condo is on the second level, so when you sit on the balcony, you may feel like sitting on your favorite coffee shop patio, watching people and dogs walk by. When your dog needs a break, the Pettygrove Park is just behind the building. Longer hike or for a run? South Waterfront Park on Willamette River is less than 2,000 feet away from the condo. Between May and October, Portland Farmers Market is less than 4,000 feet away, where you'll enjoy fresh food, produce, and people. You may truly enjoy downtown Portland living here at Harrison Condo, Unit 2A.